I was working as a commercial fisherman. Something very heavy threw me onto my face on the net. It was a shark. My name's Avram. I'm a junior recipe developer at HelloFresh. My cooking journey has been a unique one. I haven't spent a lot of time in restaurants, but I started cooking for friends when I was a young age. Loved to host people at my house and cook, and then started cooking only sort of by default as I was working as a commercial fisherman. Someone had to cook, feed the crew. That certainly taught me a lot about being resourceful in the kitchen and making do with whatever was in front of me. We'd spend months sometimes without seeing a grocery store. We have sort of a big net often that we're stacking on the deck of the boat. Sometimes things can get caught up in the net. We were in pretty rough weather at the time. The net is swaying back and forth. I got smacked behind, no idea what it was. Something very heavy threw me onto my face on the net. I was getting ready to pick myself back up and see what that was, and my captain from the front of the boat is screaming, "Stay down, stay down." And that's because there's a like 6-foot tall shark dangling above me. We were able to thankfully get the shark out unharmed, but that was a pretty memorable moment for me on the boat. Beyond that, decided I wanted to try cooking more professionally, and so got to be in a kitchen at a wilderness lodge and then a kitchen on a yacht. So it's been sort of a twisty-turny but often maritime-related cooking journey for me, but has landed me here now trying something entirely new.